Hi everyone, welcome back to 416 Flooring, the Bayside specialists in vinyl and carpet installations. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare your stairs for vinyl plank installation. Proper preparation ensures your vinyl planks look seamless, last longer, and stay secure. Whether this is a DIY project or you're curious about the process, I'll guide you through each step from cleaning and leveling to ensuring your surface is ready for a flawless finish. The first step is determining the size of the bullnose on each stair. Once measured, find a piece of plywood that matches the size. If it doesn't fit perfectly, you may need to plane the bullnose slightly. The key is to avoid completely removing the bullnose, keeping the installation reversible if someone wants to switch back to carpet or another type of vinyl. As you can see, I started by cutting the plywood to size, making sure the dimensions were square. Then I pre-drilled and countersunk holes before screwing the plywood into the riser of the stairs. Once the plywood is secured, double-check that it's flush with the bullnose. Next, measure and cut your MDF underlay. I'm using 5mm MDF. After cutting, staple it down. I added PVA glue underneath because the staircase was creaky, but this step isn't always necessary. Repeat this process for all steps. After installing the underlay, measure and cut your trims to length. Apply liquid nails or smooth edge glue underneath. Then pre-drill and countersink screws to secure the trims. Check that they're stable and don't move.